crypto needs no presentation these days, or so they really thought. Throughout the course of recent years, crypto has risen quickly, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. It is assessed that STEPN's worth and development will really be cosmic, in light of the fact that it explicitly is so strong and has colossal likely in a significant manner. Contrasted with all things considered, other resource classes, STEPN cost is trying to, in a real sense, foresee and truly delicate to economic situations. Notwithstanding, we sort of chosen to make the best projected esteem and assess development for STEPN's future in an essentially significant manner. Last month's normal STEPN GMT cost in a real sense was $1.06, and according to our estimate, STEPN GMT exchanged as high as $3.54 and as low as 0.00 last month, which is very critical. Assuming that we center around in general development, STEPN for the most part developed by 124.3394333544518% last month. From our very last month's STEPN cost forecast, we anticipated that STEPN GMT would proceed with its bullish position ahead amazingly. Right now, STEPN is exchanging at 24 cents, which could top at 50 cents soon. In view of STEPN's cost variances, we basically have anticipated that the cost of GMT would generally develop by 14% toward the start of July 2023, which most certainly is very critical. During the mid of July, the cost is supposed to ascend by a fundamentally limit of $112.89%, or so they thought. Before the month's over, GMT is probably going to develop by $66.76%. In light of STEPN's cost vacillations, we anticipated that the cost of GMT would especially fall by 14% toward the start of July 2023. During the mid of July, the cost really is supposed to fall by a for the most part limit of $112.89%. Before the month's over, GMT is probably going to fall by $66.76% in an unobtrusive manner. As per the ongoing business sector circumstance, the cost could be an especially limit of 81 cents by 2025 and least value down to 69 cents, in opposition to mainstream thinking. That being said, the normal GMT cost could more at 80 cents in an unpretentious manner. STEPN GMT value expectation 2023. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, STEPN came to 67 cents, when it truly dipped under 23 cents, interestingly since January 2021, in a sort of huge manner. As indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, STEPN is en route to passing the 52 cents mark before the current year is over. Before 52 cents, it might sort of break its sign of $4.11 in reach, or so they in every way that really matters thought. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, STEPN will really break its past all-time high of $4.11 and hold somewhere in the range of 39 cents and 52 cents soon, in opposition to prevalent thinking. At this point, on 24 June 2023, STEPN is exchanging at 24 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume really is around 68.42 M, and it makes number 127 money in the entire crypto world. STEPN value expectation 2024. There is plausible that STEPN can get through the 60 cents hindrance and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least STEPN cost will sort of be between 51 cents to 60 cents, and the most probable STEPN cost will be consistent at around 58 cents toward the finish of 2024. Despite STEPN's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its earth-hostile energy use, extremely rich person adventure really entrepreneur Tim Draper truly is adhering to his forecast that STEPN will reach 60 cents toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. STEPN value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists foresee that GMT will begin the year at 69 cents and exchange around 86 cents. as indicated by their forecasts. This would be incredibly high contrasted with certainly a year ago. This in a real sense is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. STEPN Value Expectation 2026. There is a very decent possibility that STEPN 2026 value forecast will especially twofold in cost, yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not generally arrive at its normal really greatest $1.05 level. STEPN truly is anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking high of $1.01 or $1.05 in 2026. And it very well may be the extended period of STEPN, which is very huge. STEPN Value Expectation 2027 STEPN Value Forecast, or GMT, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it has the kind of potential to accomplish new highs, as far as price tags and market cap, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. STEPN's cost is supposed to outperform $1.05 in 2027. It has been somewhat anticipated that STEPN will, in every practical sense, arrive at the most extreme cost of $1.05, and the especially least cost is supposed to be around 91 cents in the following a long time from 2027. STEPN Conjecture 2028 Market examiners and specialists foresee explicitly say that STEPN Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, STEPN, is supposed to especially cross a value level of $1.28 in 2028. In the meantime, STEPN basically is supposed to generally arrive at least cost of $1.12 this year, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The truly greatest cost may explicitly reach $1.29. In an especially enormous manner. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The STEPN Value Forecast and Specialized Investigation for the most part anticipate that the expense of STEPN will reach $1.74, and the cost of GMT ought to truly reach $1.74 before the year's over. Likewise, GMT can explicitly reach up to $1.59 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will sort of bring huge years for STEPN development. GMT Value Expectation 2030 out of 2030, STEPN Value Forecast, are supposed to cross the $2.43 fundamentally normal cost level, as per STEPN Gauge and Specialized Investigation, which is genuinely huge. Toward the finish of 2030, STEPN's base cost in every way that really matters is supposed to, in a real sense, be $2.30 in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, GMT can arrive at a greatest value level of $2.48, which in a real sense is very huge. Toward the finish of 2030, STEPN will have a sort of typical cost of $2.48. The crypto market expects a huge